Welcome to Class 10 Science from RTS Public School. Here we start with the first chapter in chemistry, that is chemical reactions and equations. This is very easy and interesting chapter, and in this chapter we will learn about what are chemical reactions, how to write chemical equations for the chemical reactions, how to balance the chemical equations, types of chemical reactions, oxidation and reduction reaction, and finally corrosion and rancidity. Let's go to the first one. What are chemical reactions? Here I noted the definition of chemical reaction. The reaction in which one or more substances reacts to form one or more substances with new properties are called as chemical reactions. See, for example, formation of water. How the water is formed? Water is formed by the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen, these two substances reacts to form the substance called water with new properties. See here, the substance formed, that is the water, it is having a property entirely different from the properties of the hydrogen and oxygen. Here, what is the property of hydrogen? Hydrogen is highly combustible and non-toxic gas, and here oxygen is a supporter of combustion. Then what about water? It is a fire extinguisher, so that we can find the property of the water is different from the hydrogen and oxygen. See another example, rusting of iron. Here the iron rod, when it is exposed to the air, it reacts with the moisture and oxygen and forms the rust. The rust, it is nothing but the reddish brown layer formed on the surface of the iron. So like this we can find many chemical reactions related to our daily life. They are cooking of food, making tea or coffee, fermentation process during making idli or dosa, digestion, respiration, photosynthesis. These are all chemical reactions. Here we must know about the two terms. They are reactants and products. So what are reactants and what are products? The substances that takes part in the chemical reaction are known as reactants. Here these two are the substances involved in the reaction. So these are the reactants. Here iron, moisture and oxygen are considered as reactants. Then what are products? Substances that formed by the chemical reaction between the reactants are called as products. See here, these are the products. These are the substances formed after the reactants. So these are called as products. Okay. So children, in this video we learnt about the definition of chemical reaction and what are products and what are reactants. In the next video we will learn about what are the characteristics of chemical reactions.